Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video, we will see how we can easily insert a document in a MongoDB collection. So we will see how to insert a document, how to insert only a single document, and we will also see how we can insert many documents using a single command. So all these three ways we will show in this video. So we have started our Mongo server. Let's first see all the databases. Show DBs command, press enter. So here are the default databases. Let's create a database. Use demo, that means we are creating demo database. Press enter. You can see we have switched to demo database, that means we have created it. Now guys, what we need to do, let's insert some documents, but for that we need to create a collection because group of documents is a collection. So let's create a collection and insert documents. Use the command db dot, let's say our collection name is employee, db dot collection name, that is employee dot insert, and within that we will be adding the documents. Let's first add a document. To make it more readable, let's use this way and press enter. Here it is. Now let's add the first column. Let's say EMP name I want to add. Name double quotes. Let's say the name would be Emma, comma, press enter. Let's say I'll add EMP age. Age, let's say 27, comma, press enter. Let's add EMP zone. East, comma, press enter. Now last one, let's add EMP DEPT, that means department marketing. Press enter, brackets. Now press enter. So we did two errors here. We forgot the double quotes for string. Using up arrow key, you can see the records again. Here, add double quotes. That looks fine. Now press enter. Insert it. That means right result means you have inserted it. Now let's see db dot employee dot find to display. Press enter. Here you can see the records are visible. It automatically inserted the underscore ID field for a unique ID. This is a 12-byte BSEN type, which is unique. So we added a document using insert command. Now guys, what we need to do, let's add another document. Here I use the arrow keys, up arrow key, and the same is visible. Now let's change it. Let's say the second employee is Brad. Age, let's add. Zone, let's set north, and department, let's set finance. This looks fine. Press enter. Insert it. Now we have two documents. We will view it using the same command db.employee.find, that is the find method. Press enter. You can see two documents are visible. So now guys, let's see the second way. The second way was to insert only a single document using a single command. Use the insert one method. Let's say we need to create another collection department. Use the same way db.department. Now we won't use insert, we'll be using insert one because we need to insert only a single document into the collection. This looks fine. Press enter. Now let's add the document. First add the department name, that means let's say DEPT name, colon. Let's say the department is marketing, comma, press enter. Now let's add the name of the manager of the department manager. Let's say it's Jacob, comma, press enter. Now let's add the department rank. I'll add 3, let's say. Now I'll press enter. Close the brackets, press enter again. You can see acknowledge true, that means we have successfully created it. It assigned an object ID, you can see. Now let's print it, db.department.find. Press enter. Here it is, our single document. Now let's see the third way to create a document. Here we will add multiple documents using a single command. That means the method insertMany. Through this we can easily pass an array of documents. That means more than one document. So let's see how. So we created two collections. Let's see the collections. press enter. Two collections. Now let's add the third collection, db dot, let's say client dot insert. We will use insertMany. Press enter. Now let's add multiple documents. Okay, leave it. Now we will create a new document. So here what I did, I missed square bracket because we are adding multiple documents. Press enter. This looks fine. Now let's add the first document. Here I'll be adding client name. Here it is, comma, client country, let's say. It's fine. Now let's add, let's say client department. Let's say marketing. This looks fine. Now guys, what we'll do, close the bracket, comma, press enter. Now let's add the second document in the same way. Client name, consultants, okay, client country, England, comma, press enter. Client department, let's say HR. Now press enter, brackets, comma, and add another document, client name, insights limited, comma, press enter. Client country, let's say India, comma, client department. Okay, I forgot the codes here. Client department, IT, let's say, press enter. Now guys, what we'll do, we will close it, bracket. Now we don't need to add a comma because we are closing it. Press enter. It's showing an error. Let's do the changes because I forgot something here. Here it is, India. It's fine now. Now IT, and I'll use the angle bracket, this bracket also, parenthesis, and press enter. So here is the error. We forgot the bracket. Now this looks fine. Press enter. Okay, I forgot it again. So it's good we are getting error. So we are understanding in a better way. Now you can check everything is fine. Brackets are in place. Quotes for every string. Comma is well placed. Now let's see. Press enter. So finally we are successful. So acknowledge true. That means we are successfully inserted. 3 object IDs. Why? Obviously you know, because we have added 3 documents and every document gets a 12-byte unique ID, and the same is here. Now let's display db.client.find. Press enter. Now you can see the same is visible. All our documents are 3 documents are visible. You can also format this using the pretty method. Press enter. You can see it is formatted now using the pretty method. This looks amazing now. Now you can easily understand what we did. ID got automatically added, client name, client country, and client department. We added 3 documents, 1, 2, and 3. Now let us see show collections. Press enter. You can see we have 3 collections now. Just now we added client. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily insert documents using multiple methods. We used 3 ways. That means using insert method, insert one method, and insert many method. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel Amit Thinks.